Today we're taking a look at this electric milk frother, and what's this going to do? Well, it's going to froth your milk or your creamer for a variety of different beverages, whether it be cappuccinos, frappes, macchiatos, tons of different options for frothing your milk with this milk frother. So this frother has been sent to me free of charge for this review. There's a ton of different frothers out there, and I wanted to show you the specifics on this one right here. So starting out, it does have to be plugged in order to work, and then we do also have some different frothing options based on how you're going to be using your frothed milk. So what we have is we have a hot thick foam, a hot thin foam, hot milk cocoa, and a cold foam. If we take a look at the inside of the frother, first we're going to have the frothing whisk. That's just going to sit on this little peg right down at the bottom. Then you do also see we have a maximum and a minimum fill line. So when you go to pick on what option you want for frothing your milk, you are just going to turn it until the light is flashing on the one you want. Then you're going to confirm it by pressing the button down. The one we did was the hot thick foam. It took about 3 to 4 minutes in order for it to be complete. Once it is complete, it will automatically shut off. Then you're going to have your nice either thick or thin, hot or cold frothed milk for your beverage. So if you are looking for an electric milk frother, this one worked out really well for us, and I think if you do decide to purchase this milk frother, it's going to work out really well for you as well.